Now in the numerical we have to find the magnetic field intensity at the center of a sphere, and it is given that the side of a sphere is 5 centimeter, current 10 ampere is passing in the side of a sphere. Now if the side is 5 centimeter, then distance from the side to the center, that will be 5 by 2. So distance is 5 by 2 into, convert into meter, 1 by 100 into meters. Current I is passing, that is 10 ampere. This point O, this is a straight conductor AB, and this point O makes angle 45 degree with the B, and this point O makes angle of 45 degree with the point A. Now we can apply the relation for the straight conductor B is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi into I upon x into sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2. Now we know value of mu naught upon 4 pi, 10 power minus 7, current is 10, distance is x, so it is 5 into 2 into 100 into sin 45 plus sin 45. Now B is equal to 4 into 10 की power minus 5 into sin 45, 1 by under root 2 plus 1 by under root 2, it is 2 by under root 2. So now this is the magnetic field intensity due to the straight conductor AB. Total magnetic field due to the four side, total magnetic field is 4 into B, 4 into 4 into 10 power minus 5 into 2 by under root 2 into Tesla, 32 into 10 power minus 5 upon under root 2 into Tesla. This will be answer. In the next question, find the magnetic field intensity at the center O if radius is 15 centimeter of the circle and the current 20 ampere is flowing through the straight wire and the current carrying circular wire. Now we have two geometrical shapes here. First is straight wire, second is circle. We have to find the magnetic field intensity at the point O. First we will find the magnetic field intensity at the point O due to straight wire. This is straight wire. For the straight wire, relation for the magnetic field is B is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi 2 I upon x. You can see here current is flowing in this direction. Now curl the finger, the direction is upward, so direction of magnetic field, that will be upward. Now B is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi 10 power minus 7, 2 into current 20 ampere. Distance, this is the distance which is the radius of the circular wire. So radius is 14 centimeter, so you can write here 14 by 100. Now you can find the magnetic field intensity, so it will be 2 by 7 into 10 power minus 4 Tesla. Now due to circular wire, B is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi into I upon x into 2 pi. Now current is flowing in this direction like this. This is the direction of current. This is anti-clockwise, so thumb will be upward. So direction of magnetic field, that will be also upward. Now B2 is equal to 10 power minus 7, current is 20, x is 14 into 100 into 2 pi, pi is 22 by 7. Now we can write 44 by 49 into 10 power minus 4 Tesla. So total magnetic field, direction of B1 is upward, direction of B2 is also upward, so total magnetic field, they will be added. So B is equal to mu B1 plus B2. So now we can add B1 and B2. Ten power minus 4 common into 1 by 7 common 2 plus 44 by 7. It will be 58 upon 49 into Tesla. So it will be 1.1 into 10 power minus 4 Tesla. So this will be the required answer. In the next question, find the magnetic field intensity at the point O. If the current of 10 ampere is flowing, in this diagram, this is curve KL, Mn, current 10 ampere is passing. We have to find the magnetic field intensity at the point O. This is angle of pi by 2. Distance between OM is 11, distance between OL is 22. Now, this is the curve where we have to find the magnetic field intensity due to curve KL. This is, now use the relation B1 is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I upon x into theta. Theta is pi by 2, current is 10 ampere, distance is OL is 22 centimeter. By putting all these values, we can find 10 power minus 4 upon 14 Tesla. Now here, in this KL, current is flowing clockwise, so thumb will be downward, so direction of magnetic will be downward. Now, due to the curve Mn, using same relation mu naught upon 4 pi I upon x into theta, put the value of mu naught upon 4 pi, current, distance, theta is pi by 2. We can use the value of pi is 22 by 7. So magnetic field will be 10 power minus 4 into 1 by 7 into Tesla. Now, in the curve Mn, current is flowing anti-clockwise, so thumb wheel is upward, so direction will be upward. Here, B1 and B2. Direction of B1 is downward, direction of B2 is upward. B1 and B2 has opposite direction, so resultant that will be subtracted. B2 is larger than B1, so resultant will be B2 minus B1. So by putting values of B2 and B1, we get 0.7 into 10 power minus 6 into Tesla.